So first, let's go to www.wordandphrase.info. Here you have two clickable headings, Input/Analyze Texts and Frequency List. We're going to focus on Frequency List for this video, so once you click on that, this is what you will see. Word and Phrase is completely free to use, but you do need to register if you wish to carry out multiple searches. So, click Login in the top right corner, and then click on Register. A new page will pop up where you just have to submit a few details, go to your registered email address, and follow the link they'll send you. Once your account has been activated, you can then go back to the Word and Phrase website and then enter your login details in the top right corner. Now you're all set and ready to start a search. In the top left corner is where you will input your searches. So let's try typing focus into the word field, a word that I often find being misused. You can refine your search by deselecting certain options under these boxes. You can then click Search to see your results to the right. Here you can refine your results depending on the part of speech that you wish to focus on. In this case, focus can be used as a noun or a verb. So I'm going to click on V for verb. Word and Phrase will generate results split into two boxes at the bottom of your page. Let's focus on the bigger box to your right first. Here you will find a bar graph of how often your word is found in spoken, fiction, magazine, newspaper, or academic genres. In our case, focus is used a lot academically, but not so much in fiction. This graph is a great tool if your teachers ever tell you that your word choices are too informal, too descriptive, or not academic enough. We will talk more about this tool in another video. To the right of the bar graph, you will find a brief definition of your word and some collocates. Collocates are words that are often paired together with your chosen word. Knowing these can help you to sound more natural in your writing. Here you can see that focus is often used with nouns such as attention or study, as well as miscellaneous words like instead or primarily. You can click on any of these words to find examples of them paired with your chosen word, focus. So, let's click on attention to then see examples of the collocation focus attention in authentic contexts. For example, we have the states must focus attention and resources on, has begun to focus attention as much on, and they serve mainly to focus attention on. Sometimes we may have something in between focus and attention, such as all of his attention, all of your attention, or their attention. And as you can see here, the preposition after focus is almost always on. So you focus your attention on something rather than in or at something. Word and Phrase is color-coded, which allows you to quickly identify what follows or comes before your word. Many times you will find another verb in pink before focus, or adjectives in green, or nouns in blue. Since we chose to pair focus with attention, which is a noun, you will see a lot of blue for nouns and yellow for prepositions. You can go back to your original search to pair different words with focus and notice their usage patterns. For example, you might find some adverbs in orange, such as generally or softly, some miscellaneous words, and different verb forms such as focusing or focused. The last thing I want to call your attention to in this section is the genre column on the left. Each one of your example sentences or concordance lines comes from an authentic source stored in the COCA, Corpus of Contemporary American English. They belong to different genres like magazines, newspapers, academic, or spoken English. You can place your cursor over the genre to find out more information, like the source's title, year of publication, or academic journal field. The small box furthest to your left is where you will find synonyms, which are words you can use instead of focus. You can click for more specific or general synonyms, as well as synonym phrases. Highlighted, you will find the synonym closest in meaning to your chosen word, and then a list of other words in order of their frequency in the corpus. You can click on any synonym and word and phrase will generate a new set of concordance lines for it. This is a great tool to help you check whether the word you are hoping to use to replace focus with really means what you are trying to say, and if it is also used in a similar way. I hope you found this quick overview of the word and phrase website useful. In the following video,